Good evening, everyone. I take this opportunity to welcome each one of you to this valedictory ceremony of 145th Annual Athletic Meet 2024-25 of St. Aloysius Deemed University, the event awaited by all the athletes and audience alike. This is an immensely exciting evening for our institute. The actively growing participation of students from various courses from both UG and PG every year affirms the relevance and meaningfulness of this celebration. This sports festival was a synergy of youthful sportsmanship and talent quotient. It was a hustle bustle affair with gamut of events rolled to test skills and athletic ability, physical prowess, and team spirit. All in all, it was a fun filled event gelled with acumen and finesse. I extend a warm welcome to all the dignitaries present here. I now request the chief guest, Dr. Dennis Fernandez, to share his thoughts.
Vice Chancellor, Dr. Ishwar Bhatt, the convener of the sports meet, Mr. Arun D'Souza, the manager of the sports meet, registrars, directors of various blocks, finance officer, deans, HODs, staff members, and my dear students. For the first time in the history of St. Aloysius, we are having the sports meet outside the campus. And this is a year 2024. In the calendar year, we had two sports meets. One is in the month of February and one is in December. We had a concern when we held this sports meet in Mangala Stadium, thinking that whether the student would come here or how much they'd participate in this. However, you have made this day a memorable one. You have actively participated and made it a great event. Therefore, I congratulate you for its success. The sports department has made lots of preparations for this day, even during semester vacation, and conducted events from the reopening day itself. Along with the faculty, Mr. Arun and Ms. Nishita Rodriguez, along with sports secretary and the members of the sports club, have done a lot of work to make this event a memorable one. Hats off to you all. Today, we have begun the day with the March Past. Your March Past was unique. Like every year in your parade, you have chosen some themes for each class on which you have a great concern. These concerns are awakening messages for all of us. It is very much appreciated by all those who were present here. My request to you is that please do not give up these issues. Do not limit yourself only to March Past. Be the active agents of these concerns and show the true Aloysian spirit, that is, men and women for others and with others. Let these concerns emerge as a big voice in the future. Competition is a part of sports day, but at the end of the day, it is immaterial whether you have won a medal or not. What matters most is that your active participation and tough competition you have given. That gives you greater satisfaction. Let us remember that every participant, every competitor is a winner. Whether you cross the finish line first or not, the true victory lies in the journey, the effort, and the spirit with which you have embraced this event. Today, you are all winners. In a long run, your active and continued participation in sports and athletics would pay you rich dividends in terms of fitness, well-being, and happiness. May this day inspire you to push your limits, dream big, and achieve your goals.
I now request our Father Vice Chancellor, Reverend Father Dr. Praveen Martins SJ, to deliver the presidential address.
Respected Dr. Dennis Fernandez, the Chief Guest of the Valedictory Program, Dr. Alvin Desa, the Registrar of the Autonomous College, Dr. Ronald Nazareth, the Registrar of the deemed to be St. Aloysius, deemed to be University, Dr. Ishwara Bhatt, the coordinator of today's annual meet, and Mr. Arun D'Souza, the Physical Education Director, and my dear members of the faculty and my dear students. I would like to congratulate each and every one of you for the wonderful display of your talents on this 145th annual athletic meet of St. Aloysius deemed to be University. As our chief guest, Dr. Dennis Fernandez nicely put it across in his beautiful speech that for the first time in the history, we have come out of our own campus and had this wonderful athletic meet. I'm sure you all have enjoyed. Did you all like it? Do you want to have it again here? Okay, excellent. But then it was quite warm, I felt, here compared to being there at St. Aloysius campus, because that is a homely campus and I got more place to run around and feel at home. But anyway, you liked it here. I'm quite happy that you all were enjoying your time here at Mangala Stadium. So as we all know, the sports fitness is very important. Physical activity is very, very important. These days, many of our youngsters, unfortunately, are not into sports and losing their own self to something else. And I would call today, once again, to get into the physical fitness is very, very important for the youngsters. It is very important for life. Yes, mind is important, but then our body is very important as physical stature that is given to us is a gift from God. Let us respect that and also do exercises and also keep ourselves quite fit. Today you have seen 9 of our professors getting this felicitation. They will be retiring in the coming year, in 2025, at different times. They start from, I think, March, and then it will go on till maybe October or November. You all have seen the great stalwarts here. I salute all of them for their service to St. Aloysius deemed to be University. Shall we all give them a huge round of applause? This is for the first time the 9 of them are getting retired in a academic year. It generally doesn't happen. Maximum maybe about 4 of them or 5 of them. But then this time it so happened, but it is a great loss to St. Aloysius deemed to be University, mainly because of their experience. They carry with them the huge experience of guiding the students and mentoring the students for almost 35, 40 years in the institution. Almost it was like their second home. But then they have really dedicated their life and also kept up the flag of St. Aloysius very high. And St. Aloysius management, all the faculty members here and all the students really feel proud of what they have done to St. Aloysius deemed to be University. There's so much for us to take home from their life, for their dedicated and committed service and passionate service to St. Aloysius. I think they would have taught thousands and thousands of students and also guided so many of them. And today we need to continue that legacy forward as St. Aloysius institutions. Definitely we will be inspired by their life to take this legacy forward. I'd also like to congratulate the Department of Physical Education, Mr. Arun D'Souza and Ms. Nitisha Rodriguez. They have done it wonderfully well, along with their coordinator, Dr. Ishwara Bhatt. Every year, our sports day is getting better and better with lot of creativity. And today morning we have seen your class guides and mentors also walking along with you. It was not easy. Shall we give them a round of applause for all those who have walked along with you, and the faculty members danced here before you, and they have been here taking a lot of responsibility last few days to see that all these events take place extremely well, and we are happy our students have behaved well, and all of you have taken part in this wonderful 145th annual athletic meet. I would like to congratulate all of you for being here, first of all, participating and winning. Even if they are lost, you are winners for us at St. Aloysius. Would like to congratulate each and every one of you. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Many hands and hearts have come together to make this program a success. I request Mr. Arun D'Souza, the Physical Education Director, to render the vote of thanks and take us to the prize distribution ceremony. Over to you, sir.
Dear esteemed dignitaries on the dais, dear colleagues, and my dear students, good evening all. As we come to the end of this exciting 145th Annual Sports Meet 2024-25 of St. Aloysius, deemed to be university, I would like to take a moment to express our heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you who have made this event successful. First and foremost, I would like to thank our chief guest, Dr. Dennis Fernandez, the director of Arupe Block, for gracing this occasion at this evening and inspiring our students with his words of encouragement. Thank you, sir. To the president of this program, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Reverend Dr. Praveen Martis, SJ. Dear Father, your support and encouragement have always inspired us to push our limits. On behalf of everyone gathered here, I would like to thank from bottom of my heart. Thank you, Father. On this occasion, I thank our Pro Vice Chancellor, Reverend Dr. Melvin Jekuna, SJ, our Registrar, Dr. Ronald Nazareth, Finance Officer, Reverend Dr. Vishwas Meskit, SJ, for your unwavering support and guidance. Thank you. A special thanks to our directors, of Xavier Block and the coordinator of this meet, and Registrar and Assistant Coordinator Dr. Alvin Desa for your tireless effort to organizing this event. Thank you, sir. I also acknowledge the selfless service of the retiring staff members to wish them all a best future endeavors. Thank you. A big thanks to Mr. Pradeep D'Souza, the Youth Service Officer of Dakshina Kannada, and his team of Mangala Stadium for providing this excellent facility and their support. Thank you. To our directors, deans, HODs, and all the teaching and non-teaching staff members, I express my appreciation to your active participation and encouragement. A special mention about Mr. Vishwanna, the office assistant, Mr. Godwin, the maintenance officer, Mr. Robert, the campus officer, and all the volunteers who have worked tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure this meet to conduct smoothly. Thank you. Thank you, Madam Nitisha, for your support and guidance. To our sports secretaries, Ms. Arlene and Mr. Sanjay, I appreciate your effort in organizing this event and ensuring the event success of this sports day. Thank you. To all the participants and supporters, I congratulate each and one of you for your sportsmanship, and enthusiasm. Thank you. Once again, I thank you, each and everyone who made this sports day memorable one. Thank you. Now we'll move on to prize distribution for staff members, those who taken part in shot put and 100 meter. I request the Vice Chancellor and other guests to to give away the prizes. I request the prize winners to enter from the right side and exit from the left side. Below 40, men's section, shot put. First prize, Mr. Bidappa. Second place, Mr. Ayush. And third place, Mr. Govind Thapa. Below 40 women's shot put. First place, Miss Diksha. Second place, Miss Dishal Fernandez. Third place, Miss Ashwini. Above 40, shot put. First place, Dr. Srijesh. Second place, Dr. Sachimon. Third place, Dr. Prabhu Kumar. Below 40, 100 meter men's section. Below 40, men 100 meter. First place, Mr. Manoj Fernandez. Second place, Mr. Govind Thapa. And third place, Mr. Arjun. Below 40, women, 100 meter. First place, Miss Grishma. Second place, Miss Alita. Third place, Miss Shirley. Second place, Miss Alita. And third place, Miss Shirley. Above 40, men, 50 meter race. First place, Dr. Nadaf. Second place, Dr. Manuel Tauro. First place, Dr. Nadaf. Second place, Dr. Manuel Tauro. And third place, Mr. Robert John. Robert, sir. Thank you. Campus Discipline Officer. Now we move towards the flash mob. Most exciting moment. The second place, second BCA. Second place BCA. Only 2 students. BCA. 2 students. Second place BCA, BCA department.
Students, just turn. Wherever you are, just turn.
Check. The first place, guesses? Yes, it is BCom. Please come fast. Come fast. Yes, thank you. Congratulations, winners. Now the individual championship for this annual athletic meet 2024-25. The best athlete, women's section, Pritisha Shetty. Pritisha. The individual championship backed by Pritisha Shetty from First BWalk Sports Management. In men's section, the best athlete, the individual championship, Maunesh H. Shetty from BSc. Congratulations, winners. The team championship in men's section. Guesses? First B walk. It is first B walk. Men's section in team championship. First B walk students. All first B walk students. Those are present here from first B walk, all athletes. Arjun, Ranganath. Pritisha. Women's section, any guesses? Yes. It is again first B walk. Women's section, all athletes. Women's section, first B walk. Again, no surprise. It is overall championship again. Yes, first B walk. All first B walk students. First B walk students, come up. All first B walk students. Both men and women. Both men and women. Come first. Okay, thank you, winners. Congratulations and thank you.
Hello, hello. Thank you so much, sir. Up next is the flag lowering ceremony. May I request the six flag bearers to march towards the college flag for the flag lowering ceremony. The flag is lowered by the flag bearers. I request everybody to please maintain silence. Untie the flag from the flagpole and march towards the guest. The flag is folded and handed over to the sports secretary. The secretary hands it over to the guest. The guest hands it over to the vice chancellor. The vice chancellor hands it over to the physical director to be hoisted next year. I now request the chief guest, Dr. Dennis Fernandez, to declare the sports meet closed.
I declare the sports meet close.